Urmo is a small, light and foldable electric vehicle.
When I had the initial idea several years ago, it was about developing the best product for your daily commute.
It started with a passion for electric mobility, and now we've founded a company and we've developed an entire vehicle, Urmo.
Urmo is a small, light and foldable electric vehicle. It is self-balancing, very easy to steer, and it's the perfect solution for your last mile in your city.
Self-balancing vehicles totally make sense. They are very easy to learn. You just stand on, and most people just need 2 to 5 minutes to learn how to ride it.
And if you suddenly find yourself in front of some stairs, simply pick it up and carry it. And since it's so compact, you can take it on a train.
Nowadays, with the trend of urbanization, traffic in cities gets worse and worse. First part of your journey into the city with your car is rather quickly, but when you enter the city, it comes almost to a complete stop. This is where Urmo comes into play. You can take Urmo in the car with you. You will arrive at your destination much faster and of course happier. When you enter your company in the morning, you can use Urmo to skip all these long hallways and just drive from the entrance to your desk in a few moments. With one lift and within 2 seconds, the Urmo transforms from fully functional electric vehicle to just briefcase size.
So how did we achieve the low weight? Well, one part of the story is to use advanced materials, such as carbon fiber and aircraft-grade aluminum. Another part is we developed all our electronics in the last 2.5 years from scratch. So we developed our own main boards, our own battery modules and so on.
At the end of the day, Urmo is not only a clever vehicle, it's also fun to drive. Drive with Urmo wherever you want, on the street, on curb or cobblestone. Urmo goes up to 15 km/h and is created for your hands to be free. If you feel uncomfortable with the balance, there's always the possibility to add an additional handlebar and still have your hands free for the coffee to go. When you come home after a long day, just plug Urmo into any power outlet, and after 2 hours it will be ready for your commute the next day.